The debate over same-sex marriage has made its way to the state's highest court. New Mexico Supreme Court justices are now in the hot seat to make a decision on this very controversial issue. KRQE News 13's Crystal Gutierrez is live in Santa Fe with what happened. Crystal?
Now, Kim, both sides had about an hour to argue before the Supreme Court this morning. The arguments wrapped up about 40 minutes ago. Now we can only wait to see what the justices will decide. Dozens of people showed up to hear the arguments firsthand. One side of the argument, those who say marriage should be restricted to a man and a woman, largely because of the ability to mate and have children. Now, on the other side of the debate, those stating it is unconstitutional to not allow same-sex couples to marry because the marriage statute is not gender specific. Bottom line is this something the Supreme Court should rule on? An attorney for the state's county clerk told the justices it is.
Even if the legislature clarified the law, that does little for the 1,466 couples who already have licenses. It is the responsibility of the legislature to define what the law will be, but it is the responsibility of the courts to define what the law is.
The gay marriage issue started to boil over in August when the Doña Ana County clerk started issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples. Another 7 counties have since started doing the same thing, either voluntarily or because of court rulings. Those against same-sex marriage asked the justices today to let the legislature decide on this issue. Back to you.
Thank you, Crystal. Now, the justices announced from the beginning they would not be making a decision today, but our coverage does continue in our later newscasts.